As a Tesla fan, I am very much into collecting collectibles. Their toys that Hot Wheels makes are pretty awesome, and ever since I became interested in Teslas, I've been looking for toys. I got this one right here, the Model S, when it originally came out, way back in like 2014 or something. So this is my first Tesla toy that I got. It was in the news that they were making a Tesla Hot Wheel and I had to get it. So that is what I have right here. Then they came out with the Model X. Then they came out with the Roadster Space Edition. Now they even have the Tesla Semi, which is so cool. I just got this yesterday. But they have these right here. These are the Tesla Model 3. What's cool about these is they have multiple colors, just like the Model S. But I wanted to get a Tesla Hot Wheel that fit my car. I have a red Tesla Model 3, black interior, black wheels. They didn't make that. This is the red one that they sell. As you can see, it does have a black interior, but it has silver wheels. And this one is one I was planning on getting. I was planning on getting the white with a black interior and black wheels. None of these match my exact configuration. So I made my own. What I took was two of these, which I have right here. Then I just took apart the Hot Wheel. I'll have a link in the description to a video about how to take apart your Hot Wheel. But basically what you want to do is on the bottom of the Hot Wheel, there are two little holes, one right here, one right there. Those are the rivets. You will drill those out. And by drilling those out, like I have done, as you can see, there are no more metal pieces. With that, you'll be able to remove the bottom wheels like that. And then we can drop out the interior. And then we can also drop out the glass. So now we have a metal frame of a Tesla, which is actually really cool as it is, just like that. So then I did the same thing to this red Model 3. I did the same thing. I took it apart. Now it already had a clear glass roof. This one has a tinted glass roof. This one is clear. So I didn't need to swap those, and the interior was already black. So all I needed to do was swap out the wheels. And you can see right here, I have the silver wheels that were originally on the red one, which are now on the white. So I've gone ahead and I've already swapped those out. And now I have black wheels on a red Model 3 with a clear glass roof and a black interior. This is my exact car. That is really cool. Hot Wheel did not make my exact car, so I made one myself. You can do the same thing for any other Tesla. I can swap out the body color on this one if I find a different wheel color that I like. I can swap out the interior of this Roadster if I find an older Roadster that I like. It's really cool some of the stuff you can do with this. There's a whole community with building Hot Wheels like this, which is actually really impressive. The amount of people that are out there that want to be taking Hot Wheels apart and making their own. It's really cool. But there you go. It's super simple to put back together. I did not do any gluing or drilling of screws or anything. So this is still going to fall apart for the most part. This one is a little bit tighter. It doesn't fall apart. So just keep that in mind when you're taking it apart. I'll put a link to a video which will show you how to do that. But I just wanted to show you my custom Model 3 that I made from several Hot Wheel parts. It's really cool. Now I have an exact replica of my own car, which is super awesome. Before, as you can see, this one had silver wheels and now it has black wheels. So that's really awesome. I like this a lot. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I'm super excited about this too. I am going to be getting another one and then I'll open that one. This one's going to stay in the box for now. But I'll post some pictures on Instagram with this. It's pretty cool. And as you can see, this Model S right here is darker than this orangey red right here. I can swap those exteriors if I want to. Pretty cool. But that's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark and I will see you in the next one.